Hello everyone. So we are going to start a React project series for beginners. In this series, we will cover add to do, edit to do, delete to do functionality. So we are going to build this whole project into this series. Let's look at it. So let's say I want to enter something. So I'm just typing anything and I'm pressing on add to do button, and you can see our new to do is added. Also, let me edit this to do. So clicking on edit, and let's suppose edit this. Also, I can press on edit to do. So you can see our to do is updated. Also, if I want to delete this to do, so you can see. So this kind of functionality we will provide in this to do app. So follow along with me in this series. Also, I want to mention that this is my GitHub repository. So I will provide this link in the description so you can check it out from the description. So follow along with me in this whole series, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then kindly subscribe it. Thank you for watching.